Hello parents, ever caught between office में शर्मा जी was saying beta should be an engineer and your teen yelling मुझे यूट्यूबर बनना है. Welcome to Desi Parenting Circus. But science has your back here. UCLA research says that your teen needs autonomy to build their decision making brain. That is prefrontal cortex, yaad rakhna. Push too hard and they rebel harder. So, when next time Sharma ji lectures, smile and say, हाँ जी देखते हैं, and then ask your teen, हाँ बेटा जी YouTube के क्या plans हैं? And when you're asking for their plan, listen, don't judge. Studies show when you listen without judgment, they'll trust you more. So basically, you have to balance between sanskar and sanak. Let them dream, but nudge them towards a backup. Like, ठीक है, YouTube करो, करना, but backup के लिए एक डिग्री तो रख लो ना. And when they see that you are not after them, you are listening to them, you are supporting them in their dream, and this degree is just as a backup, maybe slowly while walking on that path that you have envisioned for them, they start liking it. Remember, autonomy is not just about do whatever you want, जो करना है वो कर लो. It's growing their decision making skills so that they are capable of taking bigger decisions in life. So do you want to ace this, how to balance autonomy and independence? Grab a copy of my book for more such ideas.